Cruise by Mandy on board Allure of the Seas. This is the Oasis class of Royal Caribbean ships. I am standing in front of a carousel, and no, I haven't had a chance to ride it, but just a quick glimpse around this area because I know I have several people booked on the Harmony and the Oasis and the Symphony of the Seas, all within the next 6 months. So you spring breakers, it is getting close. Right here on Allure of the Seas, the Allure will be undergoing a huge revamp, I believe in the spring, if I'm remembering correctly, early spring. But right now you can see there is the Build-A-Bear workshop. You've got an ice cream shop. There's a donut and sweet shop. Candy over there. You got the Johnny Rockets that we always see on board the Royal Caribbean ships, almost all of them. And Sabor, S-A-B-O-R, Sabor. And it is right here in front of the Aqua Theater. They do offer a happy hour here. If you're needing to grab a margarita for cheaper than what they normally sell for, along with a bite to eat, then this is the place to come. And I'll post the menu down below hand. It is 3 to 6 for happy hour on certain days, and for this one in particular, it works great because Mamma Mia was moved to 5 o'clock, and then we have dinner at 8 o'clock, and then we're back for the Aqua Theater show there in the background at, oh my goodness, what time? 9. So we forewarned our dining room servers last night that we had a show tonight. We'll be there at 8. They know how to get that food out in an expedited fashion and be able to get us fed and on our way to the show. So we've got 2 shows tonight with dinner in the middle. There is a nice little area for kiddos right here to enjoy. And the Aqua Theater show we will be at this evening. You can see back here, I do have clients booked currently in one of those Aqua Theater suites to the far right, up high. One's going out of Barcelona, so I'm super excited for him. And here's the Aqua Theater area. Hopefully the show will run tonight. It was canceled from Sunday night due to the winds. You also have 2 sets of the rock climbing walls here. And spring break on Symphony of the Seas, laid out pretty much the same way here. I've got several cabins up here in the Boardwalk balconies. And I will say the Boardwalk area is quieter than the Central Park area that I've learned from being on board so far. And where'd that zip line go? There was somebody doing zip lining way up there. You can see the blue ledge they land on. Let's see if I can see. Nope, I don't see anybody up there, but I'm scanning way up, right above the Allure of the Sea sign. That's where you take off for the zip lining and go straight across. And that's additional cost. So it's kind of something to always be aware of, that there are extra things on the cruises that are not complimentary and do cost extra. So I will go check out the happy hour here at the Mexican restaurant because being a Texan, I gotta have my Mexican. Oh, and I see my jalapeno margarita being delivered right now. Let's go check that out, and then I'll sign up. Told him I'm a Texan, so I needed the jalapeno one. Ah, yes. So we have our chips and guacamole, and that, and what else? We got the bacon wrap, chicken jalapenos, I believe. Anyway. Cruise by Mandy, signing off from here.